Good morning, Clearbrook, North Dallas. 2025 Porsche Macan Turbo, they call it. Came to us originally in gloss black. We use the Xpel Stealth paint protection film. Matte is what most people think it's called, but the name on the film, Stealth. It's a matte product. Has the same properties as gloss paint protection film. Helps against rock chips, self-heals, no waxing, protects all the way around from staining and all kinds of things like that. Guarantees 10 years. The installation is guaranteed by us, the installers, Clearbrook, North Dallas, for the length of time that you own the vehicle. This vehicle is fully wrapped. The windshield was done in the Xpel windshield protection film. They just came out with that, oh God, maybe 3 or 4 months ago. The window film is XR Plus, and we're sitting at about 15% on the fronts and about 20% in the back, just kind of even it out. It looks a little lighter inside only because we just don't have a lot of room between here and here. So let's take a walk around this and show you the install. Starting here with the bonnet, the hood, if you will. You take the medallion off. It's a real nice one. I forgot what they call this, that color, but that comes off. We don't want any lines. Some people trim this out and you see the gloss black. I don't want any gloss black unless it's a piece that we're going to use as an accent. This full front end is fully wrapped in. I mean, it looks gorgeous. Everything worked out real well. This is some kind of color that they're accenting with. It runs not with the wheels, but it runs from the front to the emblems to these side things. That's about it. Headlights are done. Full area here. All the edges perfectly wrapped in. This hood is, you're not going to get any more perfect than that. There's not a mark in it, not a dust nib. I polished this car down. No compounding, just polished it down. Got every piece of contamination off it to make this thing look perfect. Headlights done. Driving lights done. This piece, everything's fully wrapped around. Coming around these fender flares, fully done. All the paint's protected all the way through. I don't cut them short. If it's black, we cover it. Coming up around the hood over here in the fender, fully wrapped in. These pieces here come off, so this A-pillar, we don't have any marks here. Everything's wrapped. There's your windshield skin. That's the new Xpel product, looking good. Hopefully they're gonna be better than the other people that attempted it. This stock is all done. I didn't leave this gloss black. Sometimes we do, but the pieces, they were able to be installed in a good manner without leaving too much exposed. The mirror up here, all done in one piece. I don't two-piece it. Door handles, all that comes out. Door handles are done all the way around. Moldings come off, all the way done. Everything just looks fantastic. These are done. Everything's wrapped in all the way down. There's like, I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 sections on the rockers. So all that's taken care of. Our fuel doors, they slide in. Of course, I don't want to do that now, but they slide that way. So to get behind it's tough. So I ran the film to the edge. I don't want to just run it around and let it hang. I need to secure it on the other side, or it could peel up later with weather, washing. It'll happen, trust me. So that's the best way to do that as of right now. Fender flares, again, done 100%. Full bumper, trimmed out beautifully, nice and trimmed out. Everything looks fantastic. This is a seamed in piece, so it leaves a gap, so we seam a piece in there. This full hatch is done. The spoiler and this top piece and the full roof is done. Coming around more this way, much more of the same. I think it has ambidextrous charging ports, which is kind of cool, and much more of the same here. All these took a lot of care coming in, all wrapped in. I mean, everything just turned out real good on this car. This is for a gentleman's fiance. Congratulations to him, and real good customer of ours. And there it is, 2025 Macan Turbo, matte black with the Xpel Stealth film and the XR Plus window film and the Xpel windshield protection film. Any questions, clearbrownorthdallas.com. Email clearbrownorthdallas@gmail.com. Landline 940-600-1308. Cell 940-703-8301. Appreciate you guys watching. Like us. Any comments, suggestions, feel free to do so. I'm Brent, and you guys take care.